Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the AI plugin and signing into Roblox Studio. This gives the assistant access to your project. Once done, create an AI workspace or new script file and place it where you'll test. Make sure plugin permissions are granted so the assistant can read and write code. You'll also want the Explorer and output visible to track changes and errors. These first steps get the environment ready so you can interact directly and save iterations. Now you integrate the assistant module into a script and wire basic hooks for events. You tell the AI examples, sample prompts, desired API calls, and expected behaviors, so it learns context. Then iteratively request code for one small feature at a time, like NPC movement or a chat command, and run quick tests. Make sure to check the output for runtime errors and refine prompts to be specific. This middle phase is about feeding context, testing, and tightening responses for stable results. Finish by reviewing and refactoring the AI-generated code, adding comments and safety checks before committing to source control. Once done, test across client and server contexts to confirm replication and permission behavior. If something breaks, simplify to a minimal repro case and run it to capture exact errors, then provide those messages back to the assistant for targeted fixes. Make sure to back up working versions. One key troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.